Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video of Tutorials Point. Today I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download and sign up for Shien. Firstly, on your Android device, open up the Play Store app. After the Play Store is open on your Android device, tap on the Search for Apps and Games box on the top of your screen. Then type in SHIEN to search for the Shien fashion shopping online app. Once you type in Shien and press the search button, an option to install the app will appear on your screen. After that option appears, press the install button. After the app is downloaded and installed on your device, hit the open button. To sign up for Shien, firstly you will have to click on the Me option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you have your Me page open up on your screen, tap on the Sign In/Register option on the top of your screen. Now you will have to click on the Sign In option on the top left of your screen. Now you will have to fill in your required credentials to sign in to Shien. Firstly, you will have to select your country or region. Then you'll have to fill in your email address and then your password. Once you filled in your correct credentials, hit the Sign In button. After you hit the Sign In button, and if your credentials are filled in correctly, you will be automatically directed to the Shien app and your account will be opened. I hope this video helped you to download and log into your Shien app. Don't forget to like and share the video and do subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.